Coffee chickies, I love it. They're terrible. Come on. Papa, would you in there? You run in there. Ah, Dada!
Huh?
You got your money kicker.
Money ticket?
Yeah, bam.
I guess that's what she said. Steven and I came out here and played that frisbee all
Yeah,
for a while. It's pretty cool because it lights. Hey, don't throw it down.
For me. Oh, it's going at my face. Oh, no!
She snorted. Did you hear that?
No!
Oh yeah, I got it too.
She totally snorted.